Just go to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or Air, and you're curious to know your iPhone's country of origin or manufacturing region, here are two ways to find it out. You just need to open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, then About, and right beside the model number you'll see part number which should contain the country code. Just look at the 2 digits before the /, and this is your country code. Just memorize the 2 digits before the /, and now open your browser and search iPhone origin country. Tap on this Apple community link and you will find the whole list of the codes. Let's just zoom in and now try to find the same 2 letters. For example, if you have double L, this means it's from USA. If you don't find a matching country code here just like us, then you can also try a different code. Go back to the About section, tap on the part number, and the model number will be revealed, which in our case is A3526. Now just keep your model number in mind, go back to the browser, and now search Identify iPhone Model. Now tap on the support website, and this is a very cool page. You'll find all the iPhone's model here. So just go to your iPhone model, and now from this paragraph, find your model. Ours is A3526, which indicates it's from other countries and regions, or a global version. And that's how you can easily find where your iPhone was manufactured. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.